Good afternoon. I am Sylvia I almost said crabby old lady. I'm Sylvia the crafty old lady, and today I'm working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment, week 49. And we are supposed to have a cityscape or urban life. And I found this in my 1950 Women's Day. It's a couple strolling down by the docks, because you see the boats here. And then you see a chemist over here and some buildings. So this is definitely in the city. And it says their Sunday afternoon walks were as regular as to be expected as the ringing of the Angelus. I don't know what that means. I'm going to have to look that up. Hold on. Alright, so the ringing of the Angelus is a Catholic tradition that signals the time for Catholics to pray the Angelus prayer 3 times a day, 6 a.m., noon, and 6 p.m. So obviously we're in an area where there's a Catholic church that's ringing the bells 3 times a day. So I'm guessing that would be in the city too. I guess there could be a Catholic church out in the country, but you don't really see them very often. At least not up here anyway. So I'm going to cut this out better. And I'm going to probably I was thinking about trying to round the corners. I'm not sure if I'm going to be brave enough to do that, but I need texture paper. I have these two textured papers that are really pretty. A word in a foreign language. I have this little thing. I think it was from stickers, maybe, or it might have been from these papers, actually. I don't know. An image from a magazine. That's my cityscape. Something you can wear are the jackets. And then rubber stamping or sticker. And I was thinking about a holiday rubber stamp or sticker. I was thinking about putting some of these little pumpkins around because it could be Halloween time. Alright, so let me get this cut out better. And I want to cut off the top words, but not his top hat. Alright, I just did it. You can still see it a little bit though. Maybe I'll leave it and I'll just kind of ink it up. Alright. I think it does not look straight to me. Maybe this side might not be straight. Maybe not. I don't want to cut the boat off. Okay, still got the boat. I'm going to cut this off again. Just slightly. I have a feeling I'm going to get... Oh, it didn't work good. Look at that. I guess it's just going to have to be raggedy. Oh, man. Maybe I'll fussy cut it. The top. Anyway. There. That's annoying. I guess I don't have to worry about rounding the corners. Okay, so let's just kind of take a piece of this off. Put that behind it. Alright, so we've got that. We'll do that. And I've got my words, my foreign words, which I'm wondering now, I think I'm just gonna do this. And sort of put those up there like that. And I think that's everything except the pumpkins. I think so. Alright, let's get the ink out. Ink those up real quick. I feel like I need to cut off by his hat more. There. I thought this showed city life quite well, actually, even though you don't see much of the city. You always see old movies where everybody's hanging out on the docks, you know? Alright, and we'll link around the foreign words too. And I'm sure these have something to do with whatever came in that package. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and use this glue. And I'm going to glue this down first. Now this. Somebody broke out of the boxcar on the opposite side. Alright, so that's going to go there. Just like that. I can't believe I cut it to be the exact size of that paper. That is crazy. I can tell it does come out this way though. It flares out. That's why it didn't look straight. Now this is going to go up here. And then I got to get some of my pumpkins left over from Halloween. And I think that's everything. Here's one with a little crow. These are maybe too small though. Maybe that one's too small. Maybe this one would be better. Just put this like right here. There. And I don't know. I don't think anymore. I think just the one is good enough. So let's make sure we have everything we need. The cityscape, which is also an image from a magazine and something you wear. The coats and the hat. Words in a foreign language. And the bonus. And that's it for number 49. Thank you so much for watching. I am so glad you stopped by. I appreciate your support. And if you would like to support me further, you could subscribe and like my videos and check out all my other videos and give them a watch. And I would appreciate it so much. And we'll see you again next week for number 50. We only have 3 more. 50, 51, and 52. Wow. Got 4 more pages. That's plenty of pages. And then we are done with Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge of 2024. See you next time. Bye-bye.